Hi everyone, welcome to the solution of Excel challenge number 4. So we have name, login log of details, time and location available here, and we have to find employees inside as of 15/9/2022 5 o'clock. So now let's start. We can find the number of employees inside the premises by finding out what is the difference between the given time, cutoff time, and this individual times. Because wherever the least difference comes, that will be the last login action or login time according to that particular person. Okay, so that's the logic we are going to use. We will find the difference between the given time and the individual timelines. Okay, now let's see. We have to insert a column for that. Insert a column giving the heading as time difference equal to going to the solution cell, this particular cell, make it constant by pressing F4, minus select the question sheet and select the time on the left side. So this will give you the time difference. This is in time format. We have to make it in number format. So make it number format. Now copy and paste up to the last value. Okay, now let's see. Now you can see there are some negative values. Negative values are not required for us. So we have to avoid that. For that, we will insert if function in this. So equal to if function, bracket open, one more bracket for this entire calculation, bracket close. If it is less than 0, show NA. That's what we are going to give, comma. Otherwise, show the calculation. So the calculation is bracket open, going to this cell, select the cell, minus, select this particular cell on the left side, bracket close for this difference. Now once again bracket close, enter. I'm trying to edit the formula because I missed out making constant this particular cell. So F4, enter, copy paste this to the down. Now let's see what is the answer. See, everything which was coming negative earlier, now it shows as NA. So whatever date or whatever time which is ended after the given cutoff time, it is not considered. Okay. Now we got the time difference. Now we have to find the minimum time, okay, or least difference value which will be closest to the given time. So for that, we'll go to solution. This is the time, and we have to find based on the employees. So we have to bring all the employees' names here. So question, selecting the entire employee names like this. Copy, come to solution, click here, paste special, in that values, click OK. I got all the names. Now select the entire column, go to data, click on remove duplicate. Now we'll continue with the current selection, remove duplicate, click OK. Now duplicates are removed, only 459 unique values remain, click OK. Now we'll find the minimum value using min-ifs function. Min-ifs function is a function which conditionally finds the minimum value. So the condition we are going to give is name on the left side. So what it will do is it will find the minimum value in the time difference column for all the names matching with Jenkins Garrett. Like that it will do for all the other names as well. So equal to min-ifs function, bracket open, we have to select the minimum range. The minimum range is based on the time difference. The entire column is selected, comma. Now criteria range is name range. Selecting the entire criteria range as well, comma. Now come back to the solution. Select the name on the left side. So it will search for all Jenkins Garrett. Enter. You got the minimum value here. Now we have to copy paste this to the down. So from here, control down, right, control shift up, control D. It will paste everything. So we got the minimum values. Okay. We have to avoid the 0. 0 is not required, but minifs will show 0 only. So we have to avoid that anyway. Now we have to find the last action. Okay. So equal to. So how to find the last action? Last action is based on the minimum value for this particular name. We have to find the last action because we have to find whether it is login or log off. because whoever is logged in as a last action, those are the person stuck inside the mine. Okay, so we have to use VLOOKUP function, but for VLOOKUP function, we have to use a lookup value. There is no proper lookup value available there because Jenkins, Gareth, or Wine John, all these names are repeating. So we have to create a unique value. To create a unique value, we will mix name and minimum value, name and time difference in this column. Okay, so we'll create a column here, inserting a column. So name and time difference join equal to name and time difference, enter. We got the value. We copy paste it down, right, control shift up, control D. We got it here. Now we'll come back to the solution. Here equal to VLOOKUP. The combination is name and the time difference minimum, comma. Here select the column from here to the last one because we need login log of details. We need the time as well as the location. So we can select all at once, comma, and the number of column or column index number is we started from this column. So 1, 2 is the second column. So 2, comma, 0, bracket close, enter. Now we got the log on time. So it is log on for Jenkins Garage in the last minute. Okay, now let's see. Control shift down. We are getting log on log of details, but some are NA. So NA is for those person who were coming as 0. Okay, so we'll do one thing. We'll avoid the NA using if error equal to if error, selecting the entire column as the value. If error comes, show NA. Okay, so once again we'll copy paste down. So we got NA wherever error is coming. We will do the same for last action time as well as location. So select the data, copy, paste it here. Again, select the data, copy, paste it here. We'll only change the column index number. This is 3. And for location, we'll count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth column is location. So 5. Come to the down, select to the top, control D. So we got last action and last action time and the location as well. Okay. Now we have to find number of employees who is still inside the mine based on two things. One, location. Two, whether the last action is log on or log off. If it is log on, it has to be counted. So come here. We have to copy paste the unique location name. For that, we'll copy the unique. So we will copy the location alone from here. Copy. Come to the solution. Copy paste here, and we will remove the duplicates. So data, remove duplicates, continue with the current selection, remove duplicate, click OK. So the duplicates are removed. Now we will enter whether how many employees are stuck inside the mine. So equal to, for that we will use count if function, count if function, and the conditions are 1, the location should be this location on the left side, comma 2, the last action should be last log on time. So for this log on time, we will make it constant by pressing F4. So bracket close, enter. We'll copy paste this to the down. So we got it, and we will make a total, enter. So total 50 employees are stuck inside the mine as of 59/2022 5 a.m. So hope you understood whatever formulas we have used, whatever functions we have used. If you have any other suggestion, please let me know as a comment. There are many other solutions as well for this, maybe better solution also. So please mention in the comments. So thank you for joining with me for this. Please subscribe for more content like this. Thank you. See you next time.